Today, I am reviewing the Optoma Full HD Home Laser Projector. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The ultra-short throw lens completely changes how you approach placement. You don't need a long room or ceiling mounting to get a big image. Sitting just inches away from the wall, it can throw an impressively large picture that feels cinematic without dominating the space. This is especially valuable in apartments, bedrooms, or living rooms where distance is limited. There's something very satisfying about placing it close to the wall and immediately seeing a huge, properly scaled image without shadows from people walking around or complicated mounting decisions. Brightness is where the GT3500HDR really earns its keep. Rated at 3,800 lumens, it's clearly built for lights-on viewing, and that's not an exaggeration. Daytime viewing is genuinely practical here. Curtains open, lights on, and the image still looks strong and watchable. Sports broadcasts, news, YouTube, and casual TV content all look punchy and clear, which is something many projectors simply can't handle. You don't feel forced to wait until night to use it, and that alone makes it feel more like a TV replacement than a traditional projector. Color and image clarity are solid and consistent. This is a full HD 1080p projector, and within that resolution, it delivers a sharp, clean image that holds up well at large sizes. Text is readable, edges are well-defined, and motion looks smooth for fast-moving content. HDR support adds extra depth, especially in brighter scenes, helping highlights stand out without washing out the rest of the image. While it doesn't have the deep contrast of a high-end OLED TV, it still delivers a satisfying cinematic look that feels natural rather than overly processed. Laser projection plays a big role in the overall experience. There's an immediacy to turning it on, with no long warm-up time and no gradual dimming over months of use. The image looks consistent every time you power it up, and there's peace of mind knowing you're not dealing with lamp replacements. This is the kind of projector you can use daily without worrying about maintenance costs creeping up on you. For gaming, the GT3500HDR performs better than you might expect from a projector in this category. The combination of brightness, fast image response, and short throw makes gaming feel immersive and responsive, especially on consoles. Playing on a massive screen from just a few feet away adds a level of scale that flat panels can't really match. Even casual multiplayer games benefit from the large image and clear motion, making it a great option for shared gaming sessions or family entertainment. One of the most underrated aspects of this projector is how stress-free it is. You don't constantly adjust focus, tweak settings, or fight ambient light. You turn it on, place it where it makes sense, and it just works. That reliability encourages regular use. It stops being a projector setup and starts feeling like a normal part of your entertainment routine. Noise levels are reasonable for a bright laser projector. During normal viewing, it fades into the background, especially once audio is playing. It doesn't pull you out of movies or shows, which is important if you're sitting relatively close due to the short throw design. What really defines the Optoma GT3500HDR is practicality. It's not chasing extreme specs or niche use cases. It's focused on solving real problems people have with projectors: room size, brightness, and ease of use. It's ideal for someone who wants a big screen experience without the commitment and constraints of a traditional home theater setup. Backed by the projection expertise you'd expect from Optoma, the GT3500HDR feels purpose-built for modern living spaces. It delivers a bright, immersive image, fits easily into smaller rooms, and encourages everyday use rather than occasional showpiece viewing. For anyone who wants a large screen that works on their schedule and in their space, this projector proves that practicality and performance don't have to be opposites.